Hello student, welcome to the Python programming. In the last session, we have seen Python programming using for loop and while loop, nested loops and loop manipulation using pass, continue, break and else. Now we can see the programming using string, list and dictionary in inbuilt functions. Okay, so let us understand that what do you mean by the functions? Yes, functions in Python. A function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. You can pass data known as parameters into a function. A function can return data as a result. In Python, a function is defined using def keyword. Generally, the functions are of two types. Built-in functions, that means the functions that are inbuilt in a Python, and user-defined functions, functions that are defined by the users themselves. Let us understand the programming using functions in Python. Let us understand the function definition. Always the function definition have the keyword def and show. So show is the name of a function. So as it is a function, it holds a round bracket, colon, right? And then indented statement is a body of a function. So whatever you want to perform in that function, it is there in a body of a function. Okay. So this is just a function definition. So function will perform its function only when it is called. So how you can have the function call? So simply you can write the name of a function and you can call. So show is nothing but a function call. So whenever you are calling this function, the program control is transferred to the function definition and there it performs a particular task. So it returns the output now as a hello world. So now your output is hello world. Okay. How to define a function in a Python? So as we have seen already, it is def keyword. Along with that, we are using the function name hello colon hello world. Now here we have one more function, def add x comma y. Now here def is a keyword which indicates that it is a function, and add is a function name, and x and y are called as the parameters of the functions. So when you write print f arguments are x and y, and you are returning the function operation as x plus y. So simply this add function performs the addition of the parameters or the addition of arguments. Okay. Now let us understand the structure of function. So when I say the structure of a function, first it is a def is a keyword which indicates that it is a function. Second, the function name. Function name can be anything but except the Python identifiers or the keywords. Third is a function arguments inside the bracket. That means the parameters. Fourth is a colon. Colon ends the function definition. Fifth is a function code. So this function code is written with indentation. So this say that it is a part of a function or body of a function. And 6 is nothing but a function return statement. So function return statement which indicates the result of that function. Okay. Now let us understand how the function works. First, a function is a block of a code with a name. We can call a function by its name. The code inside a function runs when it is called. Try to understand. The function only runs when it is called. A function can accept the data from other caller program. It is called as function parameters. The function parameters are inside the parenthesis and separated by a comma. A function can accept any number of arguments. Next, a function can return data to the caller program. Unlike other popular programming languages, Python functions definition doesn't specify the return type, data type. We can't use reserved keywords as the function name. A function name must follow the Python identifiers definition rules. So means I cannot use the keywords as a name of a function. So for example, keyword is a class. So I am not supposed to use the class as a name of a function. Okay. Now we will understand that how to call a function in Python. When we call a function by its name, if the function accepts the parameter, we have to pass them while calling the function. For example, hello, it's a default function. These are hello is defined by us. Now sum is equal to add 10, 5. So add is a function defined by us and 10 and 5 are called as the arguments or the parameters. Okay. Now print is a function that we know that it is a built-in function in a Python. We have some string inbuilt function. We already seen this function and already used that in a first unit only, or it is introduces before this only. So capitalize, for example, capitalize. It capitalizes the first letter of the string. If I want to find out the length of a string, then simply len string. It returns the length of a string. Like that we can have the uppercase, maximum alphabetical character, minimum from the string. We can split the string. We can count. Like string related functions are there. So we can have the list inbuilt functions also. Like compare the list 1 with the list 2. Length of a list. We can append an object to the list. We can count how many times the object occurs in a list. This thing. We can append the contents of a sequence to the list. List.index object returns the lowest index in the list that object appears. Like that we have some inbuilt function for the list, string, dictionary also. So same way CMP dict1 dict2 compares the elements of both dictionaries. Length str dict.clear, it removes all the elements of the dictionary dict. You can have the copy of this dictionary. Like that the some inbuilt functions are directly available in a Python. Now let us know that how we can use that. For example, I have a string variable as a string and the string is hello world. Okay. And suppose I want to find out simply the length of it. I can write down print len, the inbuilt function, and whose length I want to calculate, a string. So the answer is 12. Like that you can find out the index of O, that is 4. You can count how many times the L appears in the given string. It is 3. Like that we have some examples related to the inbuilt functions for the string, list and dictionary. Okay, see that. Now for example, append. This is a list. Hello Python. The two elements are there. Now if I want to add or append the programming, I have to just use list.append and whatever you want to append the object, and simply if you put it print lst, see this, the word or the string can be get appended. Like this we can have many more inbuilt functions. Yes. Now we can have, suppose list is hello Python programming Python hello. Now if you want to count list lst dot count Python. So how many times Python occurs? Yes, it's a 2 times. I want to count the programming. Yes, it is a 1 time. Now I want to count a space. Is there any space? No, it's a 0. I want to count hello. It is occurring 2 times. Like that you can use the append, extend, etc. Yes. Suppose we have next is as a list and we want to insert I comma x, means that adds an element at a specified position. So suppose I want to add 0 at 0th index C++. So simply lst dot insert, lst is my given list, dot insert 0 comma C++. Now if I want to print that, see that I am getting at 0th indexing C++ is gets added. Suppose I want to insert at a third position Java, then I'm just using the same command to display it. C++ hello Python 0 1 2. Now at a third index I want a Java, so here is a Java, and after that the programming and Python are displayed. So in this way you can have the insert. The pop I removes the element at a specified position. So generally when we write the pop, it removes the last element of the list. But if you put it pop 3, that means at that position's element get removed from the list. Let's have some more. Reverse uses the reversing of the order of the list. Now we can see some more examples about the dictionaries. Suppose this dictionary is available, dict equal to, the key is name, value is Harry, key is roll number, value is 30, key is department, value is CSE, and key is marks and value is 97. So when you write simply the inbuilt function dict.keys, so it will display the keys of that dictionary. So dict underscore keys, name, roll number, department and marks. Like that we can extract the values from a dictionary. Okay. Now we have the pop function dict.pop marks. So I can remove the marks entity or the marks element from the dictionary. Same way I can make a new copy of the given dictionary. Okay, see here. Now clear function clears the all element from the dictionary. Now see here, dict 1 2 3 4 elements are there, but if I use dict.clear, it removes the all elements from the dictionary. So when you print dict, you get a empty dictionary. Like that, get, this method returns the value of given key or none as default if key is not in the dictionary. For example, I have taken the same dictionary and I wish to take the value of key name. Then I can simply write name colon. This is nothing but in a single quote, it is a string, but I am getting or I am extracting the value from this function. So dict.get name. So it is obviously I am extracting or we are extracting the value of a key called as a name. So it is a Harry. Like that, if I want to extract a value from a key age, in this case the age is not present in a given dictionary, so it gives us the value as a none. Got it? As well as you can update the string, you can update the list, and you can update the dictionary with the help of dot update function. Okay, so dict.update. Now age is updated with a value of 22, and in this way this value is appended in a dictionary. Okay, so thank you.